Welcome to this week's edition of Lung and Respiratory Health Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs in lung and respiratory health. Brought to you by LucidQuest, this series delivers highly curated insights into clinical trials, regulatory updates, and emerging therapies that are shaping the future of lung and respiratory health. Boehringer Ingelheim and its partners have initiated Lentiviral, a Phase 1/2 trial investigating BI 372-0931, a lentiviral vector-based gene therapy for cystic fibrosis. This first-in-class inhalable gene therapy aims to deliver a functional CFTR gene directly to lung cells, targeting the 10 to 15% of cystic fibrosis patients who cannot benefit from existing CFTR modulators. The trial, conducted across Europe and the UK, will assess safety, tolerability, and efficacy, with completion expected by 2027. Bonus Bio Group has received FDA clearance for a Phase 3 trial of MesenCure, a cell therapy for respiratory distress. Targeting acute respiratory distress syndrome and severe lung inflammation, MesenCure has demonstrated a 68% reduction in mortality and a 57% decrease in the need for invasive ventilation in previous trials. The upcoming Phase 3 trial aims to further validate its clinical benefits. Trevi Therapeutics has completed enrollment for the Phase 2b CORAL trial of Haduvio, an oral extended-release nalbuphine formulation for chronic cough in idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. Chronic cough affects up to 85% of IPF patients, with no approved treatments currently available. Topline results from the trial are anticipated in mid-2025. A successful outcome would pave the way for a pivotal Phase 3 study. Señoras Pharmaceuticals has acquired an FDA-approved abbreviated new drug application for roflumilast in 250 and 500 microgram tablet formulations, a treatment for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The U.S. market for roflumilast is valued at $46 million, with plans for local manufacturing aimed at expanding market access. BioMax has secured $12 million in funding to advance its BX004 phage therapy, targeting Pseudomonas aeruginosa infections in cystic fibrosis patients. The therapy is currently in Phase 2b development, with results expected in the first quarter of 2026. The Cystic Fibrosis Foundation was among the key investors, highlighting the growing interest in bacteriophage-based treatments. The FDA has confirmed that it does not plan to hold an advisory committee meeting for Insmed's brensocatib, a first-in-class treatment for bronchiectasis. With priority review status, the therapy has a target approval date of August 12, 2025. If approved, brensocatib would become the first FDA-approved treatment for bronchiectasis. Precigen's PRGN-2012, a gene therapy for recurrent respiratory papillomatosis, has received FDA priority review. The therapy is designed to stimulate immune responses against HPV-infected cells, addressing a significant unmet need. If approved, PRGN-2012 would become the first FDA-approved therapy for this condition. Porosum Therapeutics has received FDA orphan drug designation for its novel cystic fibrosis therapy. Based on porosum reconstitution technology, this therapy aims to normalize mucus secretion and is expected to benefit cystic fibrosis patients regardless of their specific mutations. Orphan drug designation provides incentives such as tax credits and 7 years of market exclusivity upon approval. The FDA has also granted orphan drug status to another cystic fibrosis therapy designed to restore normal mucus secretion. This therapy could be a breakthrough for patients who lack CFTR expression, offering a potential new treatment option. BioMax has secured additional financing to support its BX004 phage therapy for chronic lung infections in cystic fibrosis patients. The $12 million funding round will help complete the ongoing Phase 2b study, with results anticipated in early 2026. Want to stay ahead of the latest lung and respiratory health research? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. We cover breakthroughs across multiple therapy areas, so visit www.lqventures.com and reach out to LucidQuest at info@lqventures.com for healthcare consulting services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.